What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, AI, that focuses on building systems that can learn from and make decisions based on data. Instead of being explicitly programmed to perform specific tasks, machine learning algorithms use statistical techniques to identify patterns in data and improve their performance over time. Key concepts in machine learning. Data, the foundation of machine learning. Data can come in various forms, such as numbers, images, text, and more. Algorithms, the methods or procedures used to analyze data and make predictions. Common algorithms include linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks. Models, the output of machine learning algorithms after being trained on data. A model is used to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to perform the task. Training, the process of feeding data to a machine learning algorithm so it can learn from it. During training, the algorithm adjusts its parameters to minimize errors and improve accuracy. Testing. After training, the model is tested on new, unseen data to evaluate its performance. This helps ensure that the model generalizes well to new situations. Features, individual measurable properties or characteristics of the data used for training the model. For example, in a dataset of houses, features might include the size of the house, the number of bedrooms, and the location. Labels, the output or target variable that the model is trying to predict. For example, in a house price prediction model, the label would be the price of the house. Types of machine learning. Supervised learning. The algorithm is trained on labeled data, meaning the data includes both input features and the corresponding correct output. The goal is to learn a mapping from inputs to outputs. Examples include classification and regression tasks. Unsupervised learning. The algorithm is trained on unlabeled data, meaning it must find patterns and relationships in the data without specific guidance. Common tasks include clustering and dimensionality reduction. Reinforcement learning. The algorithm learns by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. It aims to learn a strategy that maximizes cumulative rewards over time. Applications include game playing and robotic control. Applications of machine learning. Healthcare, predicting patient outcomes, diagnosing diseases, and personalizing treatment plans. Finance, fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and credit scoring. Retail, recommendation systems, inventory management, and customer segmentation. Transportation, self-driving cars, route optimization, and traffic prediction. Marketing, customer segmentation, sentiment analysis, and targeted advertising. Why is machine learning important? Machine learning enables computers to perform complex tasks and make data-driven decisions that would be difficult or impossible to program manually. It is transforming industries by automating processes, enhancing decision-making, and unlocking new insights from data. As the amount of data available continues to grow, the potential for machine learning to drive innovation and solve challenging problems is vast.